Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Trends. So first of all, go to Google Trends. Just go and then type Google Trends on your browser. Then it will come and you see something like this. You click on it. It brings you to Google Trends. So you click on Explore. Now, Google Trends is a platform that can help you to study how keywords have evolved over time, the interest in certain keywords, the demand, how people are searching for it, and whether it will be good to do a certain video to target certain keywords or to use a certain keyword to create some content on YouTube, or maybe if you are you want to advertise something on Google Ads, you are looking for information to know the search volume. Google Trends has more information on that. So I want to give you specific details. Now, when you come here, you can select worldwide. You can also narrow it down to your country if you want to look at the interest for certain keywords in your area, maybe your country. Now you can also choose the period, maybe if you want the last 30 days. Sometimes depending on what you want, you can also choose the last 1 year or so. Now the categories to here, we have all categories. We have audio or autos and vehicles, beauty and fitness, and then all that. So for now, I am going to leave it to all categories. Then the web, we have web search, and we have what? YouTube search. So for now, let's say I want web search, people who are searching for it on the internet. So example, I will look at, type say Facebook ads. So Facebook ads. So if on Google, people who search for Facebook ads, this is the search volume. Now I want to add Google ads so that I'll compare the two of them. So when I come, then type Google ads and also search. So that one, the search volume is higher. That is the red. The red is the Google ads. If I want to still add another keyword and compare, I have the option to do that. Now when you come here further, it shows you the regions across the world where they are searching for each of the specific keywords. So for example, with the Facebook, the most popular places they are searching for it is, we have some parts of Africa, that is Algeria, and then we also have Bolivia. Then when you look at the Google ads, you are seeing that most people are searching for it in the Asian continent, that is around Russia. Okay, this is Russia. Then you can also look at here Australia. Then you can see North American continent, Canada and the US. Then you can see Brazil and the South American continent and all that. So here it will give you the top searches for the Facebook example. You see the top countries where they are searching for it, and then you also see the Google. You also see the corresponding top countries where people are searching for. Then if you scroll further, you see related the related queries. So you see for example, partnership ads, Facebook, Namecheap. These are what people are searching that relates to the keyword Facebook ads. Then when you look at the Google ads, you see ad setting, Google. Then using Google Ads keyword planner. So this is another keyword that people are searching for. And then as you can see the interest by the region as well. Okay, so this one was a combination of the two. This is for the Facebook only, and this is for the Google only. So if you want to do further research, you can come here and now for example, the related queries, you can now come and click on show more results, and you will even see more. Now this is past 30 days. You can come here and then select, let's say, past 90 days. Look at how the trend is. You can look at last 7 days. Then you also see how the trend has been going. Okay, now apart from just using a Google search or web search, I want to also narrow it to YouTube search, because I do a lot of YouTube videos. So with YouTube, Facebook is up as compared to if you look at the last, I think the last 1 or 2 days, you see that Facebook is a bit up. Then if I look at the last 90 days, you can see that comparatively Google is also no, Facebook is still up. Yes. So if I want to do further research, what I will advise you is copy the keyword and then go to a tool called vidIQ. So let me show you how to do further research. Now if you come here, if you look at the Facebook, the related queries are what? Here people are looking for start a profitable YouTube channel. So I want to copy some of these keywords and do further research. When I come here, I'll post it here. And then you see, so they are telling me that some of the terms that relate to how to start a profitable YouTube channel are what? Make money, math. This keyword has over 100,000 searches. How to start a YouTube channel without showing your face. These are related key terms people are searching for. Then I can also come to related keywords and I look at this. You see, make money with math is something that people are looking for seriously. So if I don't even know about it, then I can go and now search and understand the topic and do a video about it, because it has a lot of search volume and then the competition is low. So it will be a very good topic to really do a video on. Then matching keywords, then questions and all that. So Google Trends helps you to be able to know those keywords that are doing well over time. So for example, let me show you this one. If I come back here, you see they are showing that this keyword is doing well. So I can come here and then let me just add a comparison. Let's look at how that keyword is performing too as well. So that one is a yellow. So if you see the search volume for that one is low, it's lower comparatively to the Facebook and the Google. But if you come here, you see they are saying that make money movie, Vegas mad. So they are showing where people are searching for that particular keyword. And so at the end of the day, you will know, okay, if I'm going to do this particular video, my target location is this area, so that you will do the video in such a way that it satisfies people who are coming from that location. If you follow this process, you will be able to use Google Trends to search, to do content research and be able to make videos that or content or ad campaigns that will best suit your interests and help you make profit from your ads or your content. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye.